municipality for giving us this opportunity to be part of this historical mission of eradicating menace has created in our society by harming our environment. Being Indian, being a Bharatiya, we consider this land as a mother. And this was a crime against our mother. When the mother nature is getting polluted and harmed by the use of this polythene. Now we are highly thankful to the visionary leader like Mr. Rajinder Sharma ji and his associate who is putting up his best efforts to support this noble cause. A leader who has spoken well about the intellectual property which doesn't lies in the degrees but lies in the character, Mr. Baloria ji. We are highly thankful from the core of our heart that they have given us this opportunity to be part of this mission where history has been created and the history of SP Smart School also has been created, that we were the part of this eradication movement. I would like to thank our staff members who has done their best to make this function a memorable function, and this mission has become a part of our history. When the father of the city, we are saying Mr. Mayor sir is here, but in a common word we consider mayor as a father of city. The mayor guides the city into a direction where a family goes. Our worthy mayor sir is like the father of the city, and the father is taking a decision to eradicate polythene menace from the society. It will be over, sir. I assure you that every person is listening in this institution or at this sitting at the place. These kids will go to their home. They will talk about the use of polythene with the parents, in their families, in their functions, and they have pledged that they will not use the polythene as a resource, whereas they will put their best efforts to eradicate the use of polythene, not only by themselves, but they will ensure that in their own families, in their streets, in their villages, this polythene is not used. With these words, I would like to thank everybody, and at the end of the day, in our most beautiful mother tongue, I would like to say, if we follow the teachings of Bhagavad Gita, where Dr. Krishna, Mr. हमारे Lord Krishna says, अर्जुन समाज तुम में नहीं है, तुम समाज में हो. तो जो समाज के लिए बुराई है वो तुम्हारे लिए अच्छाई नहीं हो सकती. तो हम लोग इस अपॉर्चुनिटी का फायदा लेते हुए अपने डिग्निटीज का थैंक्स करते हैं कि आपने हमें मौका दिया कि जम्मू म्यूनसिपल कॉरपोरेशन का हम एक एक्टिव पार्ट बन पाए, और म्यूनसिपैलिटी जिस तरीके से अब काम कर रही है, आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टेन्योर ऑफ having no municipal elections, having no corporates, we are having now from the last few years, because of the vision of the leader sitting over in the helm of affairs, we are having our municipality back, and this is the result. When we get democratic institutions vibrant, तो problems get solved. तो जो ये प्लास्टिक की प्रॉब्लम हम लोगों ने फेस की है, हमारे नाले बंद हुए हैं, हमें नुकसान हुआ है, अब ये और ज़्यादा नहीं होगा. जम्मू म्यूनसिपैलिटी जिस तरीके से काम कर रही है, हमारी रिस्पेक्ट और ऑनर की वो डिजर्व कर रहे हैं. तो एक राउंड ऑफ अप्लाउज जबरदस्त तारीफ के साथ. और कंप्लीट जम्मू म्यूनसिपैलिटी, इट्स टीम एंड इट्स हेड मिस्टर राजिंदर शर्मा जी और बलोरिया साहब और उनकी टीम को बड़ा शुक्रिया करते हैं और इंश्योर करते हैं कि हमेशा वी विल बी स्टैंडिंग विद दी Jammu municipality for everything, every mission they are doing. Thank you very much for coming to our campus. Thank you.